Hey everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another acrylic design using the Tears Beauty range. We're using the Monomer, the Crystal Clear and the Naked Core powders. I have actually prepped the nails and attached the tips and used the Crystal Clear to just put that base layer down on my natural nails, and then we're going to take that naked and we're going to just put the naked down on every single finger. So I'm not going to show you all that because that'd be boring, so I'm just going to do one nail. But I'm not sure if any of you is aware, but I am actually a brand ambassador now for Tears Beauty, and so if you want to get 10% discount you can use the code Dizzy10. It cannot be used in other kits though that's already been discounted, but on individual items it can. So once we've done all the nails, we're going to come in and file the natural nails, the acrylic nails, and then we're going to take a base coat, put on the pinky, the pointer and the thumb, and then we're going to cure that in the lamp for the recommended time. Then we're going to take the Tears Beauty Lola shards. These are absolutely stunning. And then we're going to pat these into that immersion layer, can't even say it, the sticky layer basically. And we're just going to pat it in. It is a little messy, but it's still fun at the same time, and this just shows that you can actually do this on natural nails too if you do it this way that I'm showing you. Once you're happy with that, we're going to then take the base coat again and then cover the nails to just encapsulate that in. And then we're going to take that and cure it. Then we're going to take the non-white top coat, and then we're going to take that, put it over all those nails again to double seal everything in, and then take one of your naked nails and put the non-white top coat over there again and cure that in the lamp. Then we're going to take the Tears Beauty Chrome in Rose. These chromes are amazing. Once you've got that, you just take your sponge or your silicone tool and really burnish that in. Do really wish I'd have put a black gel polish layer down first, as I really think it would have popped more. Once you're happy, take a base coat to seal it in, and then go and do the same on the other naked nail and cure. And then we're going to come in with the Dust in Rose and we're going to burnish that in. The camera really did not do this nail any justice whatsoever. It's absolutely stunning, and when it gets out into the sunshine, oh my gosh, it's just amazing. The amount of compliments I had on this set of nails was, I've never had that many compliments. So then we're going to do some stamping, and we're using a stamp plate I got from eBay, my Moyu London Black Knight I think it is. I've actually done one of the designs on the other nail, but it was completely off camera, so I do apologise for that. And so I've took this bit slow because in a minute my big head gets in the way, so I've slowed it down just to show you how to do it, because I'm lining it up. And I'm using the Nail Gaga stamper. I really like this. Once you're happy, take a base coat, seal it in and then cure. And then you want to take a buffer and buff over all those with the shards on. This will get rid of any like really high bits. And then once you're happy, we're just going to top coat all of the nails, and that's that. Once you've cured this, I'm just going to clear up any of the stamping polish that's been left on the skin, and then we cuticle oil it, and then we're done. So if you've enjoyed this video, please comment and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget guys, to use your Dizzy10 discount at Tears Beauty.